You just signed up for a SamCart account and you're staring at your dashboard thinking, now what? Maybe you have an idea for a product, maybe you don't, but either way, you're not exactly sure where to start. That is exactly why we built the brand new SamCart AI Assistant right into your account. The SamCart AI Assistant is going to help you go from I have an idea to I have a product ready to sell in minutes. And I'm gonna show you exactly how it works. Okay, so first things first, click on this icon in the top right of your dashboard to open the SamCart AI Assistant. Then click on See What I Can Do to show a few of our different pre-designed prompts. The AI Assistant is trained to do a ton of stuff you need, like brainstorming product ideas, writing sales pages, writing ebooks, making video course outlines, and more. In this video, we're gonna do what I think everyone should do when starting from scratch, and that is going to create a brand new ebook. So we have something to sell right away. And the AI Assistant is gonna walk us through the entire process from idea to selling it. So click on the ebook prompt and the AI Assistant is gonna start by asking you some questions about your niche. Who's your audience? What problem do you solve? That kind of thing. Take your time, type out your thoughts, and hit enter whenever you're ready. In this example, I'm gonna act as a sleep consultant for new parents. SamCart AI is trained to help you refine your idea into something your audience is going to eat up. So first up, it's gonna ask you to better define who your market is by getting more specific, something that we know really helps when converting and standing out from the crowd. Then it's gonna present what it thinks are the top 5 problems your niche is facing. Great problems always start with identifying a big problem first. And then next, it's gonna help you write a killer title for your new book. SamCart AI understands that a great title helps your book stand out amongst all the noise. And then most importantly, the AI is gonna ask you for your expertise on this topic. To make sure that your product is not just some AI slop, our AI is trained to download your expertise from your head. So take a minute, share good stories, good anecdotes, or anything about your approach to solving this problem that makes you unique. Whatever you share, the AI will then produce a working outline for your ebook. And the outline represents your last shot to edit or tweak or rearrange things. You can add or remove content, you can reorganize things. It's a conversation between you and the AI. You can tell the AI to change your tone. You can correct the core content of the book. Our AI is here to serve you, and it's, as always, an open conversation. Once you feel great about the outline, SamCart AI will get to work. And you'll notice a new button pops up in your chat window when you feel good about the content of your book. You can click on this Design My Ebook button, and Sam AI will take the outline of this product and send it over to SamCart's Design tab, where the design engine will automatically start designing your new ebook for you. It's going to lay out your title page. It's going to pull in relevant images, charts, quotes, and more without you having to lift a finger. After the design engine is done with your layout, you're free to tweak and edit whatever you like. Edit different components over on the left-hand side of your screen and watch the AI design engine make changes automatically on the right. You can add new components like images or text or charts or quotes or countdowns or buttons and a whole ton of other things. Scroll over any individual page and hit the magic layout button to quickly redesign the look and feel of any page as you go. You can toggle over to the design tab and quickly apply your own colors and logo and fonts to every page in the entire document all at once. You can even resize your content to turn this ebook into webinar slides or export square images to be used in social media carousels. AI Design Engine is not making an ebook, it's making anything you need all at once. Whenever you feel good about the content, hit the export button and download your new product to your computer as a PDF. And that's it. In about 5 minutes, you just went from I have an idea about baby sleep to a fully written product that's designed and ready to sell. It has never been easier to launch your own online business. You didn't need a copywriter, you didn't need a designer, you didn't need to spend 3 weeks in Google Docs trying to figure out chapter titles. And in the next video, in part 2, I'm gonna show you how to write, design, and publish a sales page that will sell this product for you around the clock, also using SamCart's AI Assistant. If you haven't tried the AI Assistant yet, go log into your SamCart account and just play around with it. Start with a brainstorm and then let the AI get designing for you. You'll be surprised at how fast it moves, how much it learns, and how much it remembers. But go ahead, click the link down below. We will see you in part 2 where we're getting ready to start selling your new product.